Kitchen Q. Today we are going to make a very easy and delicious traditional chicken curry. This is a quick recipe to help people who are new to cooking. So let's get started. We need 1 kg of fresh chicken, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cumin seeds, crushed ginger and garlic, chopped green chili and curry leaves, small tablespoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 4 tablespoons of chili powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, some shallots. More taste you can add more shallots. Finely chopped 3 onions and diced 3 ripe tomatoes and 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. To make this quick chicken curry, heat the pan and add coconut oil into it. Now add cloves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, fennel seeds, ginger and garlic into it. Roast this well. Now add shallots into it. Once it's slightly golden, add chopped onions into it. Add some salt and mix this well. Now add curry leaves and green chilies into it. Mix this well. Now add our diced tomatoes and make sure it cooks well. Now switch to low flame and add turmeric powder into it. Now add some coriander powder, and mix this well. Now add chili powder. Here I am adding 4 tablespoons of chili powder, but you can add according to your taste preference. Mix these ingredients well. Now roast this in medium flame. When the masala blends well with the tomatoes and onion, you will be able to see some oil on our mixture. Now take 1/4 of our mixture for grinding it into a fine paste. We will be using this grinded masala paste later on in our chicken curry. Now add our chicken pieces into rest of the masala and mix the ingredients well in medium flame. Now make sure that you only add half cup of water, as when the chicken and tomatoes get cooked, water will come out from that too. Mix these ingredients well. Now close it with the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes in medium flame. You can now see that the bubbles are coming on our gravy. Now the ingredients are half cooked. Now add the grinded masala paste into the gravy and mix this well. Now add some salt if needed. Again, close the lid and cook well for 2 minutes. Wow, you can now see some beautiful bubbles on our gravy. Now add garam masala powder and mix this again. Now add some crushed black pepper and some fresh curry leaves into our gravy. Mix this well. Now our delicious chicken curry is ready. The blend of fresh spices, coconut oil and masala with the chicken gives an aroma which is irresistible. You will surely love this delicious chicken curry. You can have it with rice, chapatis, parathas or anything you love. Give it a try and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes.